Doing so well.
I love it, every one of them.
All right.
Congratulations.
All right, let's take a look at the forecast. Rain on the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few
Well, that's
people
good,
are
but it's
mad at
been
me.
going down. It's the
What?
temperatures.
No, the temperatures are, but I've got some parents that were hoping to do a big swimming party tomorrow for some, for some kids finishing up first grade. They're a little mad at me right now for our rain chances tomorrow. Well, we need the rain, and I'd rather have it during the week than over the weekend. Checking out radar, we still have some active weather out to our east. We're kind of split in between some ending showers around Baton Rouge and then maybe some ongoing activity around parts of southern Mississippi, especially from Biloxi just to the east. Across the North Shore, we've been fairly dry. It's been more southern Mississippi. We've seen some of these downpours dry across the metro area and down toward the coast. Looking at satellite, you can see the brighter cloud tops with the lightning, so the storms out to our east may be ongoing for a while longer, going probably past midnight tonight, where most of us will be settling down. That's going to be a different story by tomorrow during the mid part of the day and through the afternoon. Right now outside, good visibility, kind of partly to mostly cloudy skies, 80 degrees right now with a dew point of 74, so high humidity. But that is going to change. You'd expect this in late May, almost June. What you don't expect is a drop in the humidity, and that is coming. We're in the 70s, still low 80s outside right now, so a very warm evening. And during the day tomorrow, depending on the exact timing of when the rainfall begins, we may still see temperatures get into the mid, maybe some upper 80s before our showers begin. So at Independence, about a 70% chance for numerous showers, mainly for the second half of the day. And then also for Thursday morning, we'll kind of get a couple of rounds of rain. Doesn't look like it's going to be just a constant rain. So that is more good news, because some of the rain may produce some heavy rainfall rates and high accumulations, which might lead to some flooding. And there is a higher risk of some isolated ponding or flooding during the day tomorrow with the heaviest of the rainfall. Then a cold front moves through late on Thursday, so not tomorrow, but Thursday. With it, less humid air. Again, late May, we can only expect so much from these fronts, but drier air will make it feel nicer. And then that is going to take us into the start of the Memorial Day holiday weekend, and then really the entirety of the weekend looks very nice. Eye on the tropics, nothing going on, so we're going to stay quiet in the Atlantic Basin right through the holiday weekend. However, NOAA did issue their new forecast, or their latest forecast, and it pretty much coincides with what Colorado State issued early last month, calling for an above average season. Although what's kind of interesting is they're also putting a little bit of cushion here. 14 to 21 is their range. That would be at average or above average. So they're kind of on the low end of their forecast. This calling for maybe the chance of a near average season, or maybe even just above average. And even in their discussion, they do point out that there is a 25% chance of a near average season. Again, it only takes one. We could have 20 storms. If they all avoid the Gulf of Mexico, then it was a quiet season for us. We're not really looking to the tropics. We're still keeping our eyes to the north and west as an upper system producing a cold front and some very active weather across Texas. That will be headed our way tomorrow. Again, for the rest of the night tonight, rather quiet. May still see some of those ongoing showers over in Mississippi. Then as we get into early tomorrow morning, I think to start the day, we're rather dry. Then before noon, the showers and thunderstorms begin popping up. And then here's kind of the leading edge of a band of storms, not exactly with the front, but out ahead of it. That will likely continue into the afternoon and early evening. We start drying out. So again, heavy rain during the mid part of the day. The evening looks like will be drier. More activity to what will develop ahead of and right along the front early Thursday morning and into the start of the day. Then by Thursday afternoon and the evening, the front pushes on through and that less humid air moves in, making way for some very nice weather. And in fact, the GFS has been a little bit more aggressive with just how dry that air will be once it settles in. So the good news is we'll start the holiday weekend very pleasant. A lot of sunshine, low humid air, and then end it with the muggy starting to come back. High temperatures getting back into the upper 80s, but relatively dry. We'll still remain on the drier side as we head into Tuesday of next week with maybe an isolated shower or two. But looking ahead to our rain chances, again, not an all-day event tomorrow, mainly midday and afternoon. Then we'll get a break, and then another chance early Thursday morning before all that clears out, and kind of a very late season cold front bringing in some drier air for Friday, Saturday.
All right, Chris, thank you.